In a quiet town by the hills lived a young man named Noah. He wasn't known for strength or brilliance or luck. He worked in a small clock repair shop owned by an old craftsman named Mr. Harris. Every morning, Noah sat behind the dusty counter, surrounded by clocks. Some were big, some small, some broken beyond repair. Each tick echoed through the shop like tiny heartbeats of forgotten time. Noah often felt trapped. He wanted success, adventure, a faster life. Fixing clocks felt slow, pointless. He used to whisper, "Everyone's moving ahead, and I'm just here turning screws." One afternoon, Mr. Harris noticed Noah's frustration. He said gently, "Come, I'll show you something." He took Noah to the back of the shop where a grand old clock stood, its gears worn, hands frozen at midnight. Mr. Harris said, "This clock hasn't ticked for 50 years. Many tried to fix it. All gave up. But I've kept it here to remind me of one truth." He handed Noah a magnifying glass and pointed to the smallest gear. "See this? It's barely the size of your thumb. But without it, even the biggest wheels won't move." Noah stared silently. Mr. Harris continued, "People want to move fast. They think success is about speed. But time doesn't rush. It moves steadily. Every tick matters, even the smallest one." That night, those words kept echoing in Noah's mind. He looked around the quiet shop. Tick, tick, tick. Each sound felt like a heartbeat telling him, "Keep going." From the next day, Noah changed. He stopped rushing. He studied each clock deeply, learning their patterns and patience. When others saw broken machines, he saw rhythm, life, and time itself. Slowly, his hands became steady, precise, confident. Months later, when Mr. Harris fell ill, the responsibility of the shop fell to Noah. People doubted him. They said, "He's too young to fix what time has broken." But Noah remembered the lesson. Small gears, steady hands. He started repairing clocks others had abandoned. One by one, the impossible ones began to tick again. His fame spread quietly through nearby towns. Soon, collectors brought their antique clocks to him, and his small shop became a symbol of patience and mastery. One evening, as the sun set golden over the hills, Noah walked to the back of the shop. That same grand old clock stood there, still frozen. He took a deep breath, opened its back, and began working. Not with rush, not with doubt, but with quiet faith. Hours passed, then suddenly, tick, tick. The clock came alive, the whole shop filled with 1,000 soft echoes, as if time itself was applauding his patience. Tears filled Noah's eyes. He smiled, whispering, "Maybe I wasn't behind all this time. Maybe I was just winding up for my moment." Years later, people remembered Noah not just as a clockmaker, but as the man who taught the world that slow progress is still progress. And maybe, my friend, this story is for you too. You might feel stuck right now, like everyone else is ahead and you're running in circles. But remember, time doesn't reward the fastest hands. It rewards the most faithful ones. Every small step, every tiny effort, every tick you make in silence, it counts. Because one day, everything you've been building slowly will begin to move all at once. So keep going, keep ticking. Your time will come. If this story touched your heart, share it, because someone out there might need a reminder that patience isn't weakness, it's power measured in time.